Hello dear traders, I'm Maria Stradup and this is the review of crypto analytics from fx.co. It's the 19th of May today, Friday, and in our today's review, Pakistan joins the countries with strict crypto regulation. Meanwhile, Bitcoin and Ethereum keep consolidating, and when should we expect the resuming of the uptrend? And we will start with some news as usual and the article Basi Telegram. This time news is from and about Pakistan. Thus, there is some intergovernmental organization, Financial Action Task Force, dealing with the fight against international money laundering also through crypto. It has its own grey list, which includes countries and organizations that require increased observation and monitoring. And Pakistan was also on the list until October last year. And it was removed from this list, and it's quite an important step for the country in improving its situation in the international arena. Now Pakistan should never legalize cryptocurrencies, and any cryptocurrency services will be banned in the country. Thus was stated by the Minister of State for Finance of the country. It should be said that almost 250 million people live in the country, Pakistan, and it's one of the most populous countries in the world. And as we can read in the AAA report from 2021, crypto is owned by 4.1% of the population of the country. It might seem not much, but it translates into as many as 9 million crypto users, and this is 3 times more than, for example, in Spain, or almost twice as much as in Germany. And Pakistan's own cryptocurrencies worth about $20 billion data for 2021, and adoption is described there as relatively high. And the local government has opposed digital assets before, for example, in 2018, when the Central Bank of Pakistan banned crypto trading, but the interest of Pakistanis in this topic, as can be seen from the above reports, did not decrease. This time, however, it may be different, and the government has declared that it takes its stance towards the Financial Action Task Force seriously, and more regulation and enforcement can be expected in this matter. Okay, now let's get to the cryptocurrencies themselves. We'll start with Ethereum today. Let's have a look at the chart. The Ethereum American dollar pair has made the high at the level of 1,846 and then reversed lower again. So this level will work as the intraday technical resistance level. The momentum is weak and negative on the 4-hour time frame chart, so any sustained pressure from supply might result in another wave down. So far, the intraday movement is limited, and the bears keep testing the technical support located at 1,785. If this level is broken, then the bears might test the monthly low at 1,739. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Ethereum for the moment. It's the 19th of May, and we can see that yesterday in the second half of the day, Ethereum went down and reached that very resistance levels. Then it went up again. It opened today at the point 1,801, and now it is trading at the point 1,805. So far at the moment it's above the technical support. However, it's quite far from technical resistance. It's still consolidating, as we can see. And now let's get to another article, also by Sebastian Seliger, and see the technical picture of Bitcoin. Let's have a look at the chart, and the Bitcoin American dollar pair has retraced 61% of the last wave up and reversed lower again. Any violation of the level of 26,551 would indicate more bearish pressure, with a target seen at the level of 26,600 and 25,830 for a swing low. The intraday technical resistance is located at 27,453, 50 moving average, and 27,670. The bigger time frame correction is more complex and time-consuming, Sebastian says. However, the bulls are still trying to increase the volatility and break above the intraday technical resistance seen at 30,004. Only a sustained breakout above this level might change the outlook for more bullish. Otherwise, the market remains in corrective mode and horizontal trend to be continued. The recent 7% bounce from the lows is not enough to trigger the trend reversal. Okay, let's have a look at the chart of Bitcoin for the moment. And of course, Bitcoin also declined yesterday. It also retested the resistance levels in the second half of yesterday, and then it went a little up, and it opened today at the point 26,858, and now it is trading at 26,917. Well, the situation, of course, is similar to Ethereum. It's also a little bit above the resistance level, or I'm sorry, the support level. However, it's quite far from resistance, and it's also consolidating. Well, this is all for today. We will see each other after the weekend on Monday. I wish you a nice weekend and profitable trading. Have a good rest. Until next time.